And why should you hire me? I mean, it's quite conspicuous. Um, and why you should fire most of the people that work for you? You probably should fire most of the people that work for you because they don't possess 2% of my abilities. Okay, so mechanical wave, sinusoidal wave, those are a whole different subject. So this is basically cross-disciplinary. You know, we study music, but we from a physics standpoint, you know, we study what is amplitude, what is frequency, what is velocity, what is acceleration, what is momentum, what is intensity, what is trajectory. You know, intensity determines the distance at which the sound travels, because at some given point in time, when sound propagates in nature, when there's an impact,